In this video, we'll learn how to zoom or scale a clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, make sure you have a clip placed on the timeline and select the clip. The first method is using the Properties panel. With the clip selected, go to the Properties panel on the right side. Under the Video section, you'll find the Scale control. By default, scale is set to 100%, which means normal size. Increase the scale value to zoom in and decrease it to zoom out. As you adjust the value, you'll see the change instantly in the program monitor. This method is best when you want precise and controlled zooming. The second method is using on-screen controls. With the clip still selected, double-click the video in the program monitor. A bounding box with handles will appear around the clip. Now, drag the corner handles inward to zoom out or outward to zoom in. You can also drag from inside the frame to reposition the clip after scaling. This method is very fast and visual, making it perfect for quick framing adjustments. Both methods achieve the same result. The Properties panel gives exact numeric control. The program monitor handles give quick visual control. And that's it. You now know how to zoom and scale clips using both methods in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.